Let's proceed now with the next part of lesson 60. Let's go and discuss the third practice problem. Okay, so the third practice problem is about light refraction in LASIK surgery. During LASIK, a laser beam enters the cornea from air. The refractive index of air is N1 equal to 1 and the cornea has N2 of 1.38. If the incident angle is 40 degrees, find the angle of refraction inside the cornea. So we're given N1, 1.0, which is the air, N2, 1.38, which is the cornea, and the incident angle theta 1 is equal to 40 degrees centigrade. We are asked to obtain the refractive angle theta 2. So using the formula N1 times sine theta 1 is equals to N2 sine theta 2, which is the Snell's law, we can obtain sine theta 2. And that's equal to N1 over sine 2 over I times sine theta using the cross multiplication, substituting the given data. So approximately you will be able to get 0.4655. And finally, to get the theta, we take the arc sine of the value we obtain. And approximately that's equivalent to 27.8 degrees centigrade, and that is the final answer. Let's go now to problem number 4. Energy of a phototherapy photon. Blue light used in phototherapy has a wavelength of 470 nanometer. Calculate the energy of the photon in joules. So given the wavelength lambda is 470 nanometer, and that is equivalent to 470 times 10 to the 9 meter. Planck's constant H is 6.626 times 10 raised to 34, and then C is equals to 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second. And we are asked to obtain the energy of the photon. So to use the formula, E is equals to hc over lambda. Substitute now the Planck's constant and the speed of light in vacuum together with the wavelength, and you will be able to get a final answer of 4.23 times 10 to the 19 joules. Number 5. MRI gradient speed. In a hybrid MRI light imaging system, a laser beam travels 2.5 meters through air. If the speed of light in air is 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, determine the time taken for the light to pass through. Given distance L, 2.5 meters, speed of light in air, c is equal to 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. We are asked to determine t. So solution, use the formula t is equals to L over C. Substitute then the given data and you will have a final answer of 8.33 nanosecond. Okay, so number 6. Speed of sound in medical gel. A certain ultrasound gel has a bulk modulus of 2.2 times 10 to the 9 Pascal and density 1050 kilogram per cubic meter. Find the speed of sound in this gel. Given bulk modulus B is equal to 2.2 times 10 to the 9 Pascal. And then density rho equal to 1050 kilogram per cubic meter. we are asked to obtain a speed b. So, using the formula b is equals to the square root of b over rho, substituting the given data, we can get the value of 1.45 times 10 raised to 3 meter per second, or 1,447 meters per second. Number 7. Laser power intensity in eye surgery. A laser used for a corrective surgery delivers 0.005 watt of power focused onto an area of 1 times 10 raised to negative 6 meters squared. Find the intensity of the laser. So we're given the power P 0.005 watt. The area A is equals to 1.0 times 10 to the 6 meter, negative 6 meters squared. So we need to use the formula I is equals to P over A. Substitute the given data. The final answer is 5,000 watt per meter squared, or 5 times 10 cubed watt per meter squared. Next, number 8. Ultrasound echo time in pregnancy check. An ultrasound probe sends a pulse into tissue and receives the echo after 0.00026 seconds. If the speed of sound in tissue is 1,540 meters per second, calculate the one-way distance to the reflecting surface. Example, a fetus given. Round-trip echo time, 0.00026 seconds. And the sound speed B is 1,540 seconds. We are asked to obtain the one-way distance D. So, solution, D is equals to VT over 2. Substitute now the given data, and the final answer is 0.200 meter, which is equivalent to 20 centimeters. Number 9. A critical angle in endoscopy, fiber optics. A fiber optic cable in an endoscope has a core refractive index N1 equal to 1.50 and cladding refractive index N2 equal to 1.40. Determine the critical angle for total internal reflection. So, given the core N1 is equal to 1.50, cladding N2 is equal to 1.40. Required the critical angle theta C. So, solution, critical theta is equal to arc sine of N2 over N1. And substituting the given data, the final answer is 68.9 degrees centigrade. Number 10. Doppler shift in a moving ultrasound probe. An ultrasound probe moves toward a stationary organ at 1.5 meters per second. It transmits a frequency of 4 megahertz, and the speed of sound in tissue is 1,540 meters per second. Calculate the received frequency due to the Doppler effect. Given transmitted frequency FO 4.0 megahertz, probe speed toward organ BP is equals to 1.5 meter per second, speed of sound in tissue B is equals to 1,540 meters per second. The organ, of course, is stationary. Require the received frequency F prime at the moving probe, including reflection. So use the formula. F prime is equals to FO times B plus BP over B minus BP. So compute the factor, the one that is closed in parentheses, substituting the given data, you will be getting 1.001949. And of course, substituting to the equation of f prime, that is substituting the given data and the calculated value, the factor, the one enclosed in parentheses, that is equal to 4.007796 hertz. And I 4,007,796 hertz. And that's equivalent to 4.0078 times 10 to the 6 hertz, or 4.0078 megahertz. Let's go now to the MCQ, Lesson 60, Understanding the Properties of Light and Sound Waves Related to Medicine. Number 1. Which property of ultrasound waves allows them to create images of internal organs? Their ability to travel in a vacuum. Letter B. Their reflection at boundaries between tissues. Their ability to be polarized. Letter D. There is lower speed in solids than in gas. Number 2. In LASIK surgery, which property of light is primarily used to reshape the cornea? Letter A. Refraction. Letter B. Diffraction. Letter C. Absorption. Letter D. Reflection. Number 3. Which part of the electromagnetic spectrum is commonly used in phototherapy for newborn jaundice? Letter A. Infrared light. Letter B. Ultraviolet light. Letter C. Blue light. Letter D. Green light. Number 4. The main advantage of ultrasound imaging over X-ray imaging is: letter A. Ultrasound produces sharper images. Letter B. Ultrasound does not expose patient to ionizing radiation. Letter C. Ultrasound waves travel faster than light waves. Letter D. Ultrasound is unaffected by tissue density. Number 5. Which formula relates the speed, wavelength, and frequency of an ultrasound wave? Letter A. B is equals to F times wavelength. B. E is equals to MC squared. C. F is equals to MA. D. P is equal to BI. Number 6. The Doppler effect in medical ultrasound is used to: A. Increase the resolution of images. Letter B. Measure the speed and direction of blood flow. Letter C. Reduce noise in ultrasound scans. Letter D. Adjust the wavelength of X-rays. Number 7. Why is total internal reflection important in endoscopy? Letter A. It allows light to pass from air into the fiber. Letter B. It keeps light inside the fiber for image transmission. Letter C. It bends light at sharp angles for better focus. Letter D. It changes the wavelength of the transmitted light. Number 8. The energy of a photon of light used in phototherapy depends on: letter A. The wavelength of the light. Letter B. The amplitude of the light wave. Letter C. The speed of light in air. Letter D. The density of the medium. We will have the third part of our lesson number 60. See you in our third part.